The Art of Seduction.
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 Seduction. Seduction.
Science of seduction.
Do you know that women experience 63% more heightened neurological sensitivity during the arousal phase?
You want to make a lasting impression with her. You want to make yourself attractive in front of her. You want to make her feel things that she doesn't feel with any other guy. Then you need to master the art of seduction. I'll never forget it when I was in college and I went to a party. I was trying to talk to girls, but not a single girl gave me attention. After some time, a guy walked into the room. He had a glass of wine in his hand. He went to one girl and in no time, she was actually all into him. I didn't know what was happening because just before 15 minutes, when I tried to talk to her, she didn't give a fuck. And when a guy comes out of nowhere, she was literally all into him. I didn't understand that for months. But then I came to know about this one term that is called seduction. And it changed my life. Now, I know many of you might know it, but it is not what you think. Manipulation, pickup lines, being overly sexual, or acting cool. No, it is nothing that I just mentioned. So, watch this video and understand the science behind seduction and how you can actually master it to make any woman fall for you. Actually, in no time. Hi, I am Harshit Ramani and I am a dating coach with 5 years of experience. I create content to help guys to become confident and attract women easily. And this video is about the art of seduction. Now, seduction isn't just sexual. It is about emotional control. It involves capturing attention, creating curiosity, building desires, and offering emotional or physical satisfaction. And you can seduce any girl using all these cues: eye contact, tone of voice, mystery, playfulness, and confidence. Now, before I get deeper into every point, tell me in the comments what you thought of seduction till now. So, moving on. The first one is eye contact. Everyone knows that eye contact is most important when you are talking to a girl. But do you know why? And it is not because women have beautiful eyes. Eye contact contributes to seduction. So, it is a non-verbal cue in human interaction. Even studies have proved that eye contact creates highest degree of arousal compared to only looking into the eyes, because communication with eye contact is more non-verbally expressive. So, it is clear that eye contact works like crazy when it comes to building seduction. Second is tone of voice. Now, the way you speak can actually build attraction with women. Don't believe me? Okay. A study in scientific reports reveal that individuals with voices perceived as attractive, and that is also called beauty premium, meaning someone who sounds attractive with deep tone tends to get more positive responses. Not only this, but lower pitched male voices are associated with their strength and competence, something that is always found attractive. So, voice of tone is as important as eye contact when it comes to seduction. Third, now moving on to mystery. Mystery increases attention between two individuals. Confused again? Okay. Mystery adds an element of intrigue that works in building attraction. It actually creates polarity. Psychologically, study says that unpredictability can trigger dopamine releases, and that enhances the pleasure, meaning our brain is tend to seek answer. But when something unknown happens and our brain gets stuck in that moment until we know what is happening, and this is also called Zeigarnik effect. So instead of telling everything about yourself, be mysterious to women. That makes women crave, leading to building attraction. Now, the fourth cue of seduction is playfulness. Playfulness isn't being physically playing. It is about doing positive interaction, leading to more sexual and romantic relationships. A study says that playful individuals often have more romantic partners, and this can be even used as a mating strategy. Now, suggesting that playful people might be more desirable partners. Now, coming to the last cue, and this is one of the most important cue of seduction, and this is called confidence. Also works as a magnetic force. You know that confidence is an attractive trait, but what makes confidence so attractive? As a result of one study, the participants who scored high on confidence tests were strong in overall romantic attraction, while overconfident people were not as attractive. Individuals' confidence in their abilities tend to establish and maintain romantic relationships. Now, these were the 5 cues of seduction that works like magic, and it is no theory. It is all research backed up. So now you know there is a whole science behind everything that you do, even dating. Tell me in the comments if you want me to make detailed videos on every cue, what it is, why it is important, and how to implement. Till then, I have a news for you. if you haven't booked a call with me and my team, then now is the time, because I'm giving more time to jumping on calls. I have pinned the calendar link in the comment section. Go click on it and book your call. On this call, we will give you a game plan customized as per your dating needs. Now, before I go, I'll just say that seduction is a game of psychology, not beauty. So, see you in the next video. Thank you.